This video will show you how to organize your Google Drive at the end of the year so you'll be prepared for the next school year. So the first thing you're going to want to do is you're going to want to create a folder to hold all of this year's content. So the easiest way to do that is to come up to the New button and click plus New, click New Folder, and then name your folder, and click Create. Now you can see I have a folder there. Now to move items into that folder, I have a couple of different options. I can choose an individual item or file by right-clicking on that file, and then I can come down to Move To. It will pull up my options, current location, and then give me the suggested locations. I can choose here, and then click Move. Another way to move items into the folder that you want is to do it from within the item. So let's say I'm in this file, this Google Slides presentation. I can look up next to the title in the upper left and see this folder with an arrow on it. That's the move option here. Click on it. And then you can choose a folder to move it to. This is the folder that I had created. Can move it here, and if I had subfolders here, I would actually see those folders listed as well. And then you can click Move Here. And another easy way to move folders or files if you have lots of things listed is to select multiple items at once. One of the easiest ways to do that is to just drag your cursor over the items that you want to move while clicking down. So if I wanted to move these 4 items here, I could click and hold, drag. Notice they all were selected, and then I can click on the items and drag, it clumps them together, and then click, and now it is in that 2022-2023 folder. And there's a variety of ways you can move your files around to clean up your Google Drive to be set up for success next year.